What's up guys, today we will be taking a look at the OnePlus 70. Before starting the video guys, I would like to tell you that this is my dad's daily driver. Thanks to the lockdown, now that I have been also able to use the device for about a week, so I will also tell you my experience in brief. So without wasting any further time, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So first of all, as soon as you hold the device in your hand and you immediately get that premium feeling that you are holding something special right now. I have the Glacier Blue variant with me here, and the blue seems a bit too diluted for me. Rather, I would prefer the blue that the 7 Pro has. Coming to the back, there is a beautiful frosted glass which gives it that matte texture, and I just absolutely love it. Second thing is the display in the front. There is a full HD 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display, as OnePlus likes to call it, and it is really smooth. You can feel the difference due to the faster animations. Also, the display is HDR10 enabled, so you can watch Netflix in that crispy high resolution. In my brief time that I had, I felt the 70 to be huge to work my fingers all over the 6.55-inch screen, but you can get used to it pretty much easily over time. Third thing coming back is the huge triple camera cutout, which was a letdown for me in terms of design. Because it makes the phone so vulnerable, if you drop it, there are high chances that the lens getting damaged. Next thing talking about is the camera. It has a 48 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel telephoto, as well as a 16 megapixel ultra wide. Also not to forget is the 16 megapixel selfie shooter. So it has all the 3 lenses as per the 2020 camera trend. So no worries. Coming to the picture quality, I will not go into depth, but as per my understanding, a normal person likes a picture by looking at how bright it is and how colorful it is, or as well as vivid it is. To the right amount of details, in that terms I felt the camera is perfect at what it does. Here are some of the samples. Talking about the video capabilities, it can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS, which is crisp and clear, with the help of OIS and gyro-based EIS stabilization also. It also features all those mandatory modes, you know it well. So another gripe I have about the camera is switching between the 3 lenses, which is not seamless enough. The color seems to shift a lot, but it is just nitpicking. Otherwise, it is all perfect. And that brings me to the hardware front. It packs in all the top of the line flagship specs: Snapdragon 855 Plus, Adreno 640 GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage. So gaming is a breeze, and day-to-day tasks and the whole OxygenOS experience is just on point. I personally feel that the OxygenOS is the best thing that has ever happened to Android ever, as it is close to stock Android and it is fast, fluid and responsive as well. The 70 also houses a special haptic vibration motor which claims to give a more precise feedback, and it is there. I could feel it. It was strong enough. Taking a look at the battery, it has a 3800 mAh capacity of battery, and accompanying it was a warp charger, which is a 30T warp charger, which is blazingly fast, and the phone charges to 60% in almost 25 minutes, which is more than enough for me. Coming to the final point is the pricing. It retails for around 35,000 INR as of now, and I personally feel that OnePlus has lost all of its charm regarding the whole flagship killer thing, as now it is more of targeting the premium segment consumers, which is where I felt a bit lost in the faith for OnePlus never settle attitude. Also, this whole lineup with normal and a pro variant thing going on right now is absolutely a bit too much and unnecessary. Rather, they should have kept a lineup as it was before. Coming to my final conclusion is that if you are planning to get one, just go for it. It is absolutely worth the price. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. This was your boy Kaustubia from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.